Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a duochrome filter or effect, some may call it, to your images and photos on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document on Inkscape with the given image. Let me go with this one here. Next, click into the filters tab here at the top. Hover your mouse over image effects. Sorry, over colors, of course, here. And from that menu, what you want to do is choose either duochrome or fluorescence. It's almost the same effect. There's a slight difference between them, but you can use any of these. I will go with duochrome to change the fluorescence level here. You may click into that plus button here, for instance, or minus button, and if you enable the live preview, you will see the effect applied here. To confirm these changes, click into apply there. You may also go or apply the duochrome for a color, for specific, or for the second color. Adjust the transparency, the lightness, switch between color modes. So that's how it works. That's how it would look like in this case. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.